Yes, sana mag-viral na to.
Ang dami ko.
Teka lang, parang may nag-view na. No, ito tigpaparabas mo naman ako online ha.
Kuya, hindi ako yun.
Eh di sa ilugod si XXX I hate Liam Royo XXX. Ikaw man lang arog kayong klaseng username.
Tig-comment ko to dahil bulok man talaga kaya si video kan piti mo. Sin transition, garo kinaskas nin manok.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga idol. Ako naman si Liam Kikiam Arkin Benedict Royo, galing sa Nine Gonzales. At yung video na nakita nyo kanina, isang mahalagang example ng arguments. Guys, pasimplihin natin. Arguments are disagreements, often due to misunderstanding, different perspectives, or just the fact that both of you don't really feel like listening to each other. This can be seen in various instances such as parents, friends, jowa mo, at mas marami pa. So paano ba? Paano ba tayo makikipag-usap sa susunod ng mas maayos? Step 1. Listen to understand, not reply. Hindi mo kasi ako naiintindi. Lagi na lang. Ikaw ang nag-iisip ng sarili mo. Nasaan ba ako sa iyong puso? Nasaan ba ang pag-amor mo sa akin? Nasaan ba ang pag-consider mo kung paano tayo mamumuhay bilang isa? Ha? Hindi na muna ako magsasalita. Gusto ko na muna ikaw maunawa. When someone argues, they're not just sharing ideas, but they're also protecting something else that belongs to them, such as identity, dignity, safety, and their own self-image. When they feel like they are being put in the wrong, their brain alerts them as if you're the threat and that they need to be defensive. Step 2. Say their points in their own words. Pag may kakulangan ba ako, pwede, pasabi na lang sa akin. Gusto ko kasing gawin tama. Gusto kong ayusin. The moment that someone feels their own thoughts back to them, it reduces the tension. Not because you finally agreed, but because at the very least, you finally hear them. Step 3. Explain your side without attacking. At this point, the goal is no longer trying to prove the other person wrong. It's to explain yourself in a way that doesn't make them feel blamed or threatened. Because when we attack, even accidentally, people will stop listening. Not because they don't care anymore, but because these words have a significant impact on them. In the end, this is very important because we're not trying to win arguments, we're just trying to be seen and we're just trying to be understood. This is Liam Royo, signing out.